Alright guys, in today's video we're gonna see if Pepe Coin can ever flip Shiba Inu. Today I noticed something really interesting here. This is the Shiba Inu's chart, and there is something really interesting going on here with the Shiba Inu chart that looks pretty similar or can show us signs of what could happen here with Pepe Coin. So what we can see here is this top here on Shiba Inu is the time Shiba Inu got listed on Binance. Now if we take a look at the dump that happened here on Shiba Inu right after it got listed on Binance, we can see now Shiba Inu dropped about 86%. Now if we go here to Pepe Coin and look at the drop as well since it got listed on Binance to the previous dip, it's about 87%, which is pretty much close. And since that, Pepe Coin bounced around 36% here. And there is as well something interesting that we can see here, guys. So if we take a look at how long it took Shiba Inu since it got listed on Binance to get onto that second major rally we've seen here, and that almost took around 140 days, as we can see here, to see Shiba Inu finally breaking above this accumulation phase, and we've seen this huge rally. So if we take a look at Pepe Coin since the time it got listed on Binance throughout this whole range we've been having here till that recent dip that we bounced from now here, guys, as well 140 days. This was the mark of that bottom we've seen here. Now on that 140-day mark, we've seen this 36% pump on Pepe Coin. Now, this is really interesting as this puts us at a critical moment here on Pepe Coin. Now, it took that long for Shiba Inu since it got listed on Binance to see this rally. This could tell us a lot about this macro rally we're having here on Pepe Coin. Now, after that 140 days now, this tells us a lot, guys, that this could possibly have marked that bottom on Pepe Coin here. That's 140 days since it got listed on Binance, and now since then we've rallied around 36%. Now this is another confluence to signal that possibly here Pepe Coin have bottomed, especially that we rallied already 36%, and usually we could see huge rallies from bottoms usually here on Pepe Coin. As the previous rally here we rallied around 130%, and we could as well see the same thing happening if we go around that 100%, which will bring us around that 12 level here on Pepe Coin. Now there is just one thing here going on, guys. Now in this time period here we've been on a bull market. This is the year of 2021 when everything was just pumping. Now this is on a bear market, guys, so that's the only difference that we're having here. But it seems like this is an occurrence here happening, that when a coin gets listed on Binance, it's about 140 days that we kind of mark a bottom. Now this would be interesting to see how it's gonna unfold in the future here on Pepe Coin, which is nonetheless really interesting to see that happening here on Pepe Coin. Now this would be pretty much confirmed once we reclaim this level. Now if we reclaim this level, we could pretty much confirm that this was the bottom after that 140 days, and we could be expecting something like this in the future for Pepe Coin, especially right now, guys. We're having the end of the year coming in right now. So as we've been on that, 2022 was a bear market, and then 2023 was that year of reaccumulation, or that year of slowly going back up, and then possibly we're gonna get 2024 with that year of a bull market. And if this happens, we could possibly see that this was the bottom on Pepe Coin, and we possibly here heading toward new highs on Pepe Coin. When it comes to the market cap here, guys, so Pepe Coin is standing at $300 million. So for Pepe Coin here to flip Shiba Inu, we almost need around 15x for Pepe Coin here to flip Shiba Inu. Now if we go to the charts and take a look at what a 15x means here, a pump of a 15x or 1500%. So from that dip here, if we measure a 1500% pump, where that would put the Pepe Coin's price here, and this would mean that we're gonna go almost toward that 4 zeros 10, which basically means that we're gonna need to delete 1 0 here from Pepe Coin to get us to flip Shiba Inu. We could see something similar to what happened here on Shiba Inu happening on Pepe Coin, guys. So this is something to keep in mind, something to nonetheless really interesting to keep in mind going forward toward the end of the year here, possibly 2024 being a bull market, being a year of high liquidity coming back to the cryptocurrency space. And there is also the other point, guys. Now since this is a bear market, since this whole price action here on Pepe Coin happened on a bear market, and we're seeing Pepe Coin holding well, holding strong, showing those little rallies here and there, and showing strength from time to time, especially now after this 36% bounce that we're seeing now here, possibly marking a bottom here on Pepe Coin. Now on a bull market, usually when coins show strength on a bear market, they usually rally even harder on a bull market, which means now that Pepe Coin on a bull market could even rally harder, guys. So especially if we look at the market cap, now the $300 million market cap is still pretty low of what could be achieved on a bull market. And in the previous bull market, guys, Shiba Inu went almost up to $50 billion market cap. This is how high these things can go, guys. Now this means as well, if we look at this $300 million market cap on Pepe Coin, let's say we go to a $30 billion market cap, that's 100x from here. That's 100x, guys, from here, from these prices. That's what a bull market can do. This is Shiba's Inu market cap charts. Now the top was, guys, $54 billion market cap. The market cap went up to $54 billion. Now, guys, at $300 million market cap, launched in a bear market, Pepe Coin hasn't seen yet the huge amount of liquidity that usually flows in bull markets. As we can see here, Shiba Inu rallied right towards that 54 billion, and as well started around that $2 billion, got listed on Binance, dropped that $2 billion, and then rallied to $54 billion. But Pepe Coin here is at $300 million, guys, $300 million. So if a rally comes, and let's say even if it undershoots Shiba's Inu top, and it goes to the 30 billion, that's still 100x on Pepe Coin here, guys. This is really bullish for Pepe Coin. This is not less, as I said, guys, pretty interesting similarities between Shiba Inu and Pepe Coin here, guys. This pretty much makes me feel confident about getting even more Pepe Coin here, guys. So only time will tell here, guys. We're gonna see. This is gonna be really interesting to see unfolding here in the future. What's gonna happen here with Pepe Coin, guys. I hope you enjoy this type of videos, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And remember, guys, as well, there is a competition going on right now on FairDesk. If you are trading derivatives, up to 1.8 million USDT for grabs for the winners, as well as $4,000 daily bonuses for top 10 traders going on here on FairDesk. No KYC, no VPN needed. If you're trading derivatives, if you're interested, I'll leave you the link in the description, guys. So let me know in the comment section what you're thinking about Pepe Coin, what's going on here, guys. This seems to me pretty bullish so far here, what's going on with Pepe Coin, especially the similarities with Shiba Inu, as I said, guys. This is by far one of the most bullish cases I see here on Pepe Coin. So only time will tell here, guys. I'm gonna keep holding my Pepe Coin. We'll wait for this thing to unfold here. Pretty bullish looking so far here on Pepe Coin, guys. So thank you again for watching this video, and remember, nothing is financial advice as always, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy your weekends. Cheers.